So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new cartridge in this Kohler right temp valve. So the interior of this valve consists of two parts. There is a control cap, which is controls hot and cold mixture of the water, and then behind it is the cartridge, actually volume of the water for the control cap. So as you turn it on, cold, warm, hot, it doesn't mix the water. It just opens the water up and allows hot and cold through. The cartridge is what mixes the water in the back. When that fails, you get either dripping out of the tub spout or the hot and cold. You can't adjust, either all the way hot or all the way cold. So anyway, so the cap is in good shape, so we left that in. Cartridge is replaced, so that's brand new. The hole that was originally cut in the tile is oversized. It's bigger than the mud plate, and so it's just this cover plate is just barely covering the hole. So we went ahead and put some silicone around here, just clear silicone. Just in the event you get water on this wall and it drains down, it's not getting into the wall cavity and causing any problems with mold or wood rot or whatnot. So we got it all back together, turned it on, and no dripping. Unfortunately, we had a second problem, which was back in here, and on this valve, it's on this tub spout, it's different. Normally when you have a copper stub out, they've got a little fitting in this tub spout with the O-ring. You slide it on, you need to take a set screw, an Allen screw down here, and tighten it up and you're good. Well, water was spitting out of that, so every time you turn it on, water would roll back and drop down to the tub. So we got a new tub spout for that. Instead of using the old copper style where you slip it on, we went ahead and soldered an adapter on. The reason why is, I mean, it's fine for a quick connect, but with the copper, it's an all plastic sleeve that basically starts here and goes to the back of the opening on the spout, and it's all plastic, and so you get a lot of up and down movement here. And I mean, it's not bad. If you don't manhandle this too much, then you're in pretty good shape. But what we like to do is go ahead and cut the copper, solder a threaded adapter on here, and then get a spout that you can screw on. So you screw it on, and then you have just about zero movement. You can see, you can't, well, honestly, you probably won't be able to see because I'm trying to hold the camera and move this at the same time, but there is zero movement side to side, up and down, and so that's good. We did, before we put that spout on there, we went ahead and siliconed in the opening in the tile. So it's a little square cut out, so we siliconed it completely in with clear silicone, and then another little dap around the exterior of this spout. So that's good. Anyway, so no dripping here, no dripping there. So you can see no water draining down the wall. I'm sorry about the shaking. No water draining down the wall anywhere right there. So that's good. And then no dripping out of the spout. Outside of that, this installation is done.